chop in. Yeah. What I was trying to say is we're in Warsaw, and Chopin is from here. He's not? Where is he from? Oh, he's from about 30 kilometers outside of Warsaw. But a bunch of stuff here is dedicated to him, like the airport and his museum and stuff. And that's what we're going to right now. Allie didn't come out today because she wasn't really interested in seeing Chopin, and she just wanted to stay at the apartment, so it's just Sibs today. Oh, I missed the piano. There are 6 double-sided booths in here, and each of those booths have a lot of songs. We're gonna be here for a while. So yeah, we were in there for an hour and 15 minutes. Very classy looking group of bros. That museum was quite cool. It's so dang cold. No. Oh, Ferrari. Can't stop, won't stop. Twix cheesecake sounds about just like the best thing in the world. So, yep.
Oh no, cheesecake on the park.
So good. So good. I've seen this place all throughout Europe, and I don't usually like coffee chains, but I mean, I have to see, I have to know, because like, what cheesecake's good without coffee, right? I'm vlogging right now. Look, I'm vlogging. You're on the vlog.
Oh, yeah, I just saw it like 2 seconds ago. And I was like, oh.
We have rallied with Allie. We went on an Allie rally. Allie rally. And now we're headed to a chocolate store. We have way too much chocolate on this trip. I need to work out so bad.
Pure chocolate.
chocolate melt.
That's intense.
Should I get this?
If you want. This chocolate shop was created during World War II by Mr. Vidal, and it was actually originally forcefully created. The Germans took Vidal and told him to make a chocolate shop so that you can feed us Germans, but he secretly fed some Polish prisoners and other Poles. What a guy. We went with the classic Vidal chocolate. So excited, but also feel so fat. Okay, but the real reason we actually get all these sweets is because, like, when else are we gonna get them in Poland? And like, when else are we gonna go to one of the main Ritter chocolate shops in Germany? Like, it's more so because we want to experience the culture through gorging ourselves with chocolate. And for what fun it is. Look at that palace. It's huge. My goodness. That is so pretty. The GoPro definitely does not capture how awesomely big and pretty this building is, but to give like a mild comparison, I'd say the size of the window is like 2 or 3 times the size of a human body. It is a massive palace. I took an architecture class a few years ago, so definitely gave me an appreciation for buildings like this. But like, how can you not appreciate that? Like, that is crazy. Why did I just do a British accent? Warsaw is a big city. The other 2 places we've been in Poland were kind of moderately sized, but oh, nice Corvette. Oh wait, no, that was a Ferrari. Woo, that is the 2nd Ferrari I've seen today. But yeah, Warsaw is huge. It's got giant buildings, huge streets, and as y'all know is my favorite, not a lot of people. I just saw another Ferrari.
Is the both the things lit up?
An F12.
Turn it off. Yeah. Are both things lit up? The left and the right? Okay.
What is with this city? Also,
Okay, just turn it back on.
look at the view from our apartment.
Got a bunch of notifications.
It's so pretty.
Yes! A freaking bed!
Warsaw is sick. That's all for Warsaw. Pretty short vlog. We only had 1 day here. And tomorrow we have a 17-hour travel day, which begins at 5 in the morning and ends at 10 at night in Denmark. And then the next day, we travel for another 7 hours to Norway. So, side note, because Norway is wicked expensive, we decided we're gonna buy most of our groceries for our few days there in Poland, because Poland's really cheap. And, well, this is it.
Yep.
Actually, this isn't even all of it, so
That's
there's,
what's in the fridge.
yeah, this is gonna be so much fun to travel with. I don't really know how I'm gonna do this vlog-wise because traveling isn't that interesting on the vlog, and I don't really film that part anymore. But I could probably catch some interesting stuff in 17 hours. We'll see. Anyways, short story long, Oslo, Norway is our next spot. So I'll see you guys in a few thousand miles. It's so far away.